Example 2. P is a point -12, y. In the third quadrant of the Cartesian plane, O is the origin and OP equals r equals 13. Theta is the angle between OP and the positive x-axis. Calculate the value of y. Calculate sec theta plus cot theta. Solution. Using Pythagoras theorem, we get OP square equals r square equals 13 square equals -12 the whole square plus y square. Therefore, y square equals 169 minus 144 equals 25. We can see from the diagram that the point P is in the third quadrant. So, y is negative. Therefore, y equals negative square root 25 equals -5. Secant theta equals r over x equals -13 over 12. Cot theta equals x over y equals 12 over 5.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Maski to help you and let the math finally start mathing.